it's my co-worker's daughter. We will attend a party. It's a birthday party. 7 years old. I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
What
When
party?
I was 6.
It depends on the party. It's too far from our house. I don't like it. I don't wanna attend.
Then don't come with us.
We're gonna drive with you guys.
Nanai.
She doesn't know how to drive.
She can drive her car to school.
No, just only.
Sometimes on the highway too.
No, she can't.
Yes, she can.
She's scared.
I'm gonna
She's
tell
scared at the
Nana.
highway.
We're telling Nana.
Oh, tell her.
We will tell her. And then she'll prove
She
to
only
you.
drove in her work.
Hey, he drove
And,
to McDonald's before.
Really?
She drove to my school.
Yeah, only your school, her work,
He also
McDonald's, A&W.
He can drive to
Yeah,
her
but
doctor.
in the highway, she is scared.
He can jump into. He can drive into her
She is so
doctor.
scared at the highway. That's
He is not scared
That's
of
dangerous.
the highway. I'm telling Nana about that. That's so mean. I'm not doing that. You have a bleeding nose, cuz.
Ate.
Daddy, sister got a bleeding nose. No, you
What?
got it. She
Because
has
it's a
bleeding
dry.
nose. She has a bleeding nose.
Because the weather is so dry.
Tata,
I had this morning too. Blood.
Tata, you better buy that restaurant or else you won't get to make a famous restaurant. You better buy that restaurant or else you're not gonna make a good restaurant.
What restaurant?
Over there, you said you were gonna buy it.
Oh yeah, the close one. The
Yeah.
close one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said you're gonna buy it to make Filipino.
Yeah. If I have money.
So what's your store gonna be called, Tatai?
Huh?
What's your store gonna be called? Ken in Canada.
My store? No, not Ken. Maybe it's
Ken in Canada.
Kainan sa highway.
No. No.
Or eat all you can, Filipino food. Oh,
Yeah, that's better.
yeah.
That's better. It's like a
Oh.
buffet.
Oh, buffet.
Like a buffet. Where, no.
Or restaurant na walang aalis hanggat hindi
I
busog.
like buffets. You get to choose what you want to eat. You can get the food that you want to eat.
Yeah.
Tatai, a
Mm.
buffet. Should you call it Ken's buffet?
Huh?
Ken's buffet.
Ken's buffet. Yeah. It's so traffic now here.
Because you were too long here. So you can be up. So it's a buffet,
Mm.
and then you eat your food and choose what you want,
Yeah.
like that. Tatai, remember the fried chicken that Nana made for that Nana bought for New Year's?
Mm.
Can you ask her to buy it today?
What chicken?
The fried chicken that she bought from New Year's.
Oh, the Ogam chicken.
Yeah, it's a good one.
It's a Korean barbecue chicken.
I like it. I ate a whole thing.
That's expensive. I will cook chicken tonight.
I ate a whole thing of it because it's good and spicy.
I will cook. We have chicken at
So
home.
it's gonna be Ken's buffet. His gonna be called.
I will cook chicken for you. You want the
So it's
fried
gonna be a
chicken, ate?
buffet. Wait.
Do you want
No.
fried chicken?
No.
No? Okay.
Yours isn't not that crunchy.
Hmm?
Yours is not crunchy. I don't know why. Oh, cause you don't put like the flour to make the crunch. And
No, I put flour. And
No. Like some people on their videos, they use chips for the crispy.
chips.
For the crispy.
Hmm.
Yeah, like a spicy chip. Like they mash up the spicy chips and then they have to put something that will make the chips glue onto the fried chicken,
Mhm.
and then they first put the thing that will glue onto the fried chicken,
Yeah.
and then they put the chip thing,
Oh.
and that's so yummy.
Hmm.
I saw even people using it on corn dogs.
Yeah.
Do you know like those spicy corn dogs? That's what they did
Oh.
in Stampede.
Uh-huh.
The spicy corn dogs. That's what they did. They smashed up chips
Oh.
and put it on the corn
I
dog.
thought it's a potato
No,
powder.
those are spicy chips.
No.
Those are like a different kind of spicy chips.
Mm.
They like mash
I
it up.
haven't tried that in Stampede.
Because you don't want it.
I never try it.
Because you
don't
think
like-
it will still be salty, like like the normal thing I
I
buy.
don't like salty food. Not
And there's
good.
a sausage in there, and you can't eat it.
Yeah. And
You
don't
could. You
and
could.
don't eat processed food. It's not good. Right?
Yeah.
If you eat every day, if you eat processed food every day, it's not good.
Mhm.
Eat real food, vegetables, fish,
Ew, I don't like zucchini though.
meat.
None of my classmates like asparagus and zucchini like me.
Dadaldal nyo eh.
Then stop filming!
No,
right
I'm not
now.
filming.
Oh, why do I see your phone there?
Yeah, I'm not filming.
Yes, you are.
No, it's say hi. Hi to my film.
Hi.
to my video.
Nobody.
I don't care
Hi
about your
nobody.
film.
Why you don't care?
Hi, nobody.
Daldal kayong dalawa
Because
no?
it's not funny.
Hi, nobody.
And you're not getting enough subscribers.
Hi, nobody.
We need the subscribers.
How many do you have?
I only 192. Say
Haha.
subscribe to my dad's channel, to my tatay's channel.
No! Do not subscribe to his channel, everyone.
Because he makes cringy.
Tell it to them.
Because he makes.
I already told them to not subscribe.
Subscribe to my tatay's channel.
No, don't. He's too cringy. Oh, you have something there. He's too cringy. Here?
Oh,
Look at the
who
camera.
has
Look at the camera doing the
Kulanungot?
boogers. Look at her, she's doing the boogers.
No. Yuck. Are you gonna eat your kulangot?
Eat it, eat it, eat it. She ate it. She
Kadadaldal
ate
ng
it,
aking
everyone.
batuta.
She ate it.